So we got it done. Poverty spool's installed, and we're gonna go snow drifting, I guess, in this piece of junk.
Here the rubber like
Peg from Zip Ties and Bias Plies started calling people out for burnouts, and we didn't get an invite. But we're not smart, so we're driving through a blizzard. You can barely see in front of the truck, to lock the rear end of our Gambler Silverado, because 100% of my muscle cars are broken or apart. So stay tuned. We're gonna do some really dumb New Year's burnouts to ring in the new year and wish 2020 a very sincere go to hell and never come back. So the general plan here is we're taking over our buddy's shop, Matthias Fabrication, because it's heated and it's a frickin' blizzard outside. We're going to weld the spider gears up in this pile of junk and probably burn the tires off till they blow, but we've got a fun plan. I think it's got some flair. You guys are gonna like this. Got to the nasty gear oil and rust in my eyes and all that stuff. Hey, thanks for welding our rear. Sucker.
Do you have a fire extinguisher just in case?
I do.
Somewhere. It's probably not as close as all the welding techs that are full. It'll be fine. Don't worry about it. See, this is why we have an expert do this.
There's snow right there.
Oh, there's snow everywhere, dude. It's bad out there. This is gonna be, hey, at least it won't get stuck on the way back, hopefully. We have that going for us. This is way better than paying 46 bucks for an eBay mini spool. Just light the rear on fire a little bit. Love it.
We have unhooked the battery.
It'll be fun. You don't care about the vehicle anyway.
It's got enough electrical gremlins.
What is this new level of care that you're finding in the middle of welding a perfectly good dip? Oh my god, this is gonna be great. Oh, I don't know, I couldn't stand a one-wheel peel.
You want to roll the tire?
Let's take a look at this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's gonna be... Well, they're nice welds too.
I don't do shit with it.
That's very true. That's why we came to you. We would have been like wire welding this junk with flux core. Ugh. Yeah, that should hold. I feel pretty good about it. The rest of the rear end, I'm not so sure, but the welds will hold. Oh god, that was wet. Ugh. Don't put your face there. So, we got it done. Poverty spool's installed, and we're gonna go snow drifting, I guess, in this piece of junk. It starts. Does the window roll up? Please tell me, God, the window rolls up.
It's going up.
Excited to drive your first welded diff?
I guess.
It's gonna be good. It should be fine.
For me, experience.
Marking our territory a little bit. It's fine. It'll be fine. So far, results are not good. We're stuck in like 3 inches of snow, dude. I think we need better tires. It'd be perfect with better tires. These are bald. We're really, really good at dumb ideas, but this is gonna be super fun. So, Peg did not invite us to his burnout contest, but we're going anyway. It blizzarded yesterday for a little bit. We drove this hunk of crap to Lincoln Lock the rear end, or Poverty Posse, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna vice grip the rear brake line and put 2 trucks together because 4 burning tires are better than 2. And I guess go till she blows. Sit tight. We're just gonna preserve on these rear brakes because this is gonna be burning for, I don't know, a couple minutes, all the way through this snow and then some. So you just gotta get right in there to your rubber brake line with your favorite vice grips. Oh, they're keeping frosty. Oh, no. This may or may not work. The rubber line's cold as hell.
Fuck it.
Send it. All right. Well, worst case, we blow up the other brake line, and but we have that, so you know, whatever.
We'll replace it. It'll be the nicest thing on the truck.
I don't like replacing these brake lines to begin with, and look around, buddy. We don't have shop space for this anymore. Remember? I'm loving the preservation technique we came up with. You want me to readjust them?
Nah.
All right, it'll be fine.
I'll self-tap for the license heck on if I have to.
I like it. I like it. The bumper might be the one thing on this truck that's not actually in danger of coming off under an impact. Search and rescue indeed. Yeah, this is about the most Midwestern burnout I think we could have done. Oh, we're like one bush light and some corn short of having the entire Iowa trifecta going on. Oh.
Well, we got plenty of rust. That's Iowa.
I love the smell of killing tires in the morning.
And snow.
Yeah. We're gonna clear some area for the DNR. That way they don't have to do that later. What's the over-under on the fire department showing up?
How much smoke there is, I guess. The sky's pretty white, so.
I'm hoping the breeze will kind of carry it over the marsh and they'll just think it's fog. Oh. Oh. It's just why did we do it? We spent money and time to do this.
Only $10.
That's fair. That's fair. There might be some life in these. They might go for a while. Oh, they're good and hard too. They're gonna make smoke.
They both got broken belts, so they're gonna probably explode.
Oh, and they're gonna shake before they do it. R.I.P. fender flares.
Yeah, I'm a little concerned.
Oh,
That's
yeah. We'll zip tie it on. The green machine's that way. It's fine.
Oh, that sucks.
That one's still on there. Hey, oh, that's not bueno. About to lose a tire. Oh my god, it's so smoky in here. Look at this. Woo! Oh god, that's coming off hard. Woo! I think the fire department's gonna be here any minute. Woo! Oh my god, look at that rolling smoke. I love this truck. Is it still good? Oh my god, these Dynapros go forever.
Like
There's still belts there. It's holding air.
go.
Oh God, we should go. Uh-oh.
What does that mean?
She's puking. She's low on coolant too. Let's drive it around.
In the back.
Oopsie, what?
There's coolant in the back.
Cool. The truck didn't like that. Whatever just happened, it's very hot now. I shut her down at like 2:30 and it's still creeping. So
Smoke's still rolling out of the topper.
yeah, it's completely filled. All the rust holes funneled smoke. So at least we're...
Mine only burnt the one tire for a little while.
That's who knew that belts showing are the new mud and snows?
Dude, it does get around pretty good now.
I said go till we blow, but it started ripping chunks off and I don't want to get in trouble for ripping up the road. We're just gonna leave no trace and all. Oh, it's smoking. Yeah, we'll grab some belts. Oh, hey, oh, there's a piece of the fender. Look at that. Oh, green machine's shedding. That's,
Gambler G-string?
there you go. Oh my God. More? Oh, those are from yours.
For mine.
Oh boy. Just noticed this new body work that the tire did. That would explain why we were finding pieces of it out there. So I guess we're gonna sawzall some new fenders onto this baby when we get back.
Zip ties.
Zip ties. Yeah, we'll fix. That'll just.
We'll stitch it back together.
It's just a patch panel. I know they make that panel. We can fix this. Oh, don't touch that. That's structural. Oh God. Oh, maybe we can't fix this.
Flatbed time.
Oh, she's still holding air. It's fine. I don't know how I feel about driving back to town on her. That's really bad. I've never seen a tire live that long, that terrible.
Oh no.
And that
What is that hanging
is a
off
wrap.
of my truck?
I don't know, probably rubber.
Oh yeah, that's just a belt.
Oh yeah, those are good for another 5,000 miles. Look how distorted that tire is. Oh, that's bad.
The tread is wrapped around the inner axle.
Yeah, we should probably change these here. So happy holidays, happy new year. Stay minty and be good to each other. Let's make 2021 a little bit better. And stay tuned to Mad Scientist Garage for more dumb, super fun hijinks like
Where do the
this.
tires go?
I have no idea.
No, I mean like the junk ones.
Oh, they're in the back.
Okay.
We good. Check you guys later. So she overheated a little bit. So what we're gonna do, I found this sludgy coolant in a snowbank outside the shed. So we're just gonna, she likes that. This is fine, right? Oh look, it's even orange. Look at that. I don't hear it hitting the ground. Yeah, she's healed. I'm sure it's fine. Ah. Oh yeah, she was low. I'm sure that's all ice cold. Goodbye head gaskets.